All right, Jeff Lambert here. No Mess Roofing and Gutters Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. We are out here in Magnolia replacing a roof. We're a full service roofing company, so we can either restore your roof, repair your roof, rejuvenate your roof, wash your roof, or replace your roof. So you're not stuck in one box of just having to replace it. All of our services come with warranties, and let's just turn this around so you can see what's going on. Ooh, I'm a little scared. There's the traffic behind me. Gary Squires, great customer. Dennis here owns the building, so we're replacing the roof. Contemplated whether we're going to rejuvenate it or replace it. That's what we do. Full service roofing company, also do gutters, underground drain jetting. But on his office, he just wanted to go ahead and replace it. So that's what we're doing today in Magnolia, February 14th, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's to everybody out there. I'm going to walk around the property so you can see it. Turn this back around for a minute. Okay. Whew. Another day. Solving problems, collecting checks. That's what it's all about. Big shout out to Dimitri out there for Roofing Insights, sporting his hat. Let's turn this around. Okay, there we go. Put some ice and water down in the valleys. Getting everything nice and cleaned up as we go along. There's a couple areas where the decking needed to be replaced. Let's walk around to the back. Tell you, it's fun out here, getting things done, solving people's problems. I enjoy it. You gotta enjoy what you do. A little out of breath. 56 years old. Really shouldn't mean anything. In pretty good shape, but nonetheless, still 56. I like to stay off the roof now, but I'll still get up there, do some minor service work if it's necessary. Let's turn this back around. There we go. All right. The roof runner on. Gonna replace that area right there with the rotten decking. Another area that they just replaced up there. This guy's nailing it in right now. Got all our products right here. It's a pretty big building, but it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. Not a lot of facets, so that's nice. Take a good look at this. Whoop. There we go. Come back around. Zoom out a little bit. Oh, too close. Sorry about that. All right. There we go again. Like I said before, we can do it all. Replace, rejuvenate, repair, restore. We can shampoo your roof, get all the black algae off, turn around and condition the shingles. I recommend anytime you're washing your roof that you condition the shingles too, because in all honesty, if you have an older roof, let's say it's 10, 12 years old, when you wash your roof, you're actually stripping the top layer of oils off the shingles. That's why those granulars shed so much after it's been washed, like 2-3 months later. So, and you got to make sure that people are rinsing the product off, the SH. So you want to condition it afterwards, and that's just reintroducing the oils back into the shingles. And that's what we do. It's called roof rejuvenation. Let me turn this back around. There we go. We'll walk back around here. I'm a little bit of a novice when it comes to this type of stuff. Love my guys, man. The gutters are up there and they're not harming them at all, not damaged one bit. Very meticulous and methodical in how we handle things. Got to have the right amount of people on a roof this size to get it done. We'll get this done today. Get it done today, get paid today, and then wait for the rain to come in. And you'll be safe. Got full rain control system. We service the gutters as well. There we go. Let's take a look at everybody. vehicle in regards to roof rejuvenation. Save your roof, save money. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta love the Better Business Bureau, Google. Highest rated roofing company in our area. And multi-faceted company, cross-market our services, gutters, gutter cleaning, gutter repairs, gutter installation, drain jetting. Because in all honesty, that's exactly what your roof control is. Give me a second. Sorry about that. But it's a rain control system. Your roof, your gutters, and if they go into an underground drain, that's a rain control system. So in order for all those to work, you have to service it. You have to service the gutters, get the debris off the roof, get the debris out of the gutters, and if they're tied into underground drains, like every couple of years, you should jet those drains, make sure they're completely clear. Because everything's going to affect one another. If that underground drain is clogged, it's going to affect the gutter system. And then it can cause rotten decking, cause issues for the roof itself. Another thing that's really important is ventilation. You want to get enough ventilation on the roof. Not just ridge vents, but other things as well, like attic breeze fans. You can go with a 4 Seasons fan, but something that's pulling it. It's a solar fan, and it pulls the hot air out, so it helps the roof's lifespan. And too many people here just turn around and put ridge vents on there, and those are static vents. They put some air hawk vents or 4-way vents or just ridge vents. No, you need something pulling the hot air out, because the hotness from underneath as well as from up above is going to turn around and really zap those oils, which is the main component of the shingles, to allow for expansion and contraction, keep those granulars on. So it saves the roof against granulars that help against the UV protection of the sun. I'm looking at someone, I'm sorry. But nonetheless, it's something that should be done. All of those components should be put on the roof. All right? Here we go. Getting things taken care of. All right, let me let you go. What is this? 7 minutes? Excuse me? Only wanted to do 5 minutes. Nonetheless, I'll talk to you later.